normally we have safe solar glasses and distribute them to school so that kids can enjoy with their friends and they can share the safe solar glasses. But this year we don't have any to share yet. Something might happen between now and Sunday. But we're going to show you how to make safe solar viewers using very simple materials with your children. So on Sunday, you can all look up at the sky, look at the sun and see how it gets, the light from the sun gets blocked and take photos. But hey, this is a fun activity. I'm going to let it, because I have boys, I'm going to let it be a daddy-boy affair as I film. Yay, eclipse time!
Woo! Okay, so what we need to do, we get our box. The idea is this. We need a hole here, which is a small hole. We're going to get some tin foil. Cut it nice and neatly. Go across there. There we go, thank you, Tino. You need a pin. Like that. You only need one pin. You make a little hole. Okay, then you get your knife. Ooh, it's good if you have a craft knife. A good strong knife is good. And you cut a nice, neat hole in one side of it. Before you take your box closed, what you need to do is have a projection screen. And that's what we're going to use this white paper for. See, then I'm just going to tear my paper in half. Okay. Now that needs to be stuck down on the inside at the back. So the sun's going to project onto the back of my box here. So that's good enough to have my projection surface on. And then we want to close the box so that the light doesn't go in. Because you want it nice and dark inside your box. Oh yeah, you have to whistle. Right? Now all you need to do is wait for the sun and wait for the eclipse. Because if the sun's there, you point the thing like that so the sun can come in from that hole and you look in here. And you see an image of the sun.
I can see the sun!
Good.
I think like I'm controlling it.
You are controlling it.